right, Michael, there she says she was brainwashed again. Diminished capacity could mean that they find a lesser charge, but you don't think they'll even do that?
I think you're in Tennessee. I think the jury are, again, if the jury was comprised of robots and computers, they would always make the right decision. This jury is comprised of human beings living in Tennessee. I'm very tainted. I'm very biased on this through many, many years of tangentially and vertically being related to cases with these types of fact patterns. My frustration will be the frustration of anyone who believes that she should get off. That case from Akron, Ohio, where that girl had the best expert in the whole country come in and testify. I have nothing to gain. She was temporary insanity. Jury just, we don't care. It's an excuse. I don't agree with it, but that's just the way it is.
All right, we are waiting for the jury to come in. Michael, let me ask you, what is it like as an attorney waiting with a criminal defendant for a verdict?
Horrible, especially when you know your client is going to get convicted, because you're going to be on camera standing next to somebody who's convicted, and all that people are going to see is a loss, right? It's horrible. It's terrible. It's nerve-wracking. It's obviously more nerve-wracking when the outcome is in doubt. But in this situation, her attorneys, they know their jury. They live in Tennessee. They live next to these people. They know what the verdict is going to be. So this is maybe a little bit less nerve-wracking for that, in that regard, but it's still very nerve-wracking. And you sympathize with a person after a while, even after the heinous crimes, and then you know that they're going to go through one door and you go through another door. When I was a young attorney getting trained, they told me, listen, don't get too attached to your client, because you go to lunch after you lose. Your client doesn't.